Make sure to stay until the end. We will explain how to recognize if the crankshaft sensor is about to fail so you're not left on the road. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you guys have a Fiat 500 and you're trying to find where your crankshaft position sensor is located, stay with us. We'll explain that today. We'll be demonstrating on a 1.4 Abarth turbo engine, but even if you have a different one, we'll explain where you can expect to find it. All that will be covered in this video today. We will explain, guys, okay, symptoms of bad crankshaft position sensor, what to expect when they first start going out so you don't end up being stuck on the road with the car not running. Now, before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, crankshaft position sensor for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. We're going to go ahead, open the hood, okay, and show you what we have specifically here. So these guys, okay, is actually 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth. Now, things that we need to consider here, okay. Almost every car nowadays, modern car has a crankshaft position sensor. So you're going to have a crankshaft position sensor, guys, okay? Why? Because the engine needs to know the exact position of the crankshaft, so that way it can calculate when to spray the fuel, to ignite the spark plugs, and to do the variable timing, especially on the multi-air or variable timing air engine. So if you come, guys, okay, underneath, let me show you. Usually on Fiats and most cars, the crankshaft sensor will be located, okay, either, okay, on the back side of the engine block towards the transmission housing, okay, right there, or they will be located, guys, you can see on some will be reading from the crankshaft pulley, and the sensor will be located practically right here. Okay, there is a mount right here by the belt side, but on the Abarth and the turbo, guys, it's very unusual location. Now, if I come on top, I want to show you what it looks like first, and then we will get to, okay, to the rest. Let me show you for a second what it looks like. This is, guys, the crankshaft sensor, okay, right there. It has one bolt, okay, right here. It has only one bolt. This is the wire, you can see. This is the wire, this is the connector. So if you pay attention, the wire has that aluminum coating. And what do we have here? Follow, guys, okay. The connector is right here. This is the wire. It goes under the exhaust and kind of like starts going this way, then it drops down and it comes back to the transmission housing. And we're going to be using the camera, and it's right there on the transmission housing. There is one plate, okay. Let's see if we can get it. Let me just park the thing here. Okay, under that plate right here, metal plate, there is one bolt and one nut that you need to remove. Okay, let's go ahead and come from underneath. I'm gonna show you where exactly it's located. Okay, it's on the back side, on the exhaust, right here towards the transmission side. It goes in the flywheel. There is one little bitty hole that we're going to go through. Okay, there is a plate, and I'm gonna go there with the thing. Okay, check it out now. I'll go inside. Okay, let's see. Okay, one second. I need to set things here to where they don't move. Okay, let me see now. Okay, that right there is the crankshaft position sensor. You can see, guys, it attaches with one bolt. That's the bolt with an Allen wrench. That's the wire, okay, and that's the sensor that attaches there, okay, by the flywheel. So it's right behind that plate. How do you replace it? Probably you will have to remove the exhaust to do that. Otherwise, it's almost impossible to get to it. For any of you that need help with removing the exhaust, we'll have a video on the channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.